What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be finding out whether my car is going to pass smog or not. I just cleared the check engine lights again. I replaced the O2 sensor with OEM sensor because I feel like that Bosch sensor that I had installed was just for some reason, like, if you don't use OEM sensors on cars, they don't work as well as like AutoZone or Bosch or whatever. So anyways, we're gonna go drive the car like 60 miles, make sure it's ready, and because all these emission sensors, they have to be ready. So after you erase the codes, it basically clears the data. So we're gonna go drive the car and take this to smog shop, see if it passes smog. Hopefully that check engine light doesn't come back on. Yeah, I'll see you guys here in the next clip. Alright guys, so it's been about a month or so since that clip you just saw. The car does end up passing smog, thank God. But today I just want to kind of make an update video. Right now, the car is up on the jack stands. And we're also going to unbox some parts. Let me get these out of here. Unbox some sticky that I already went through, but I'll show you guys what's in here. Sent me over a shirt, stickers, hat, not a hat, beer cozy, glasses, and then in here was what I actually ordered because they gave me that stuff for free. Like where the subframe bushings. This looks like it's for the diff. Or actually, these are all for the diff. Yeah, those are all for the diff. So I got the diff bushings from them. Get this box out. So I ordered these from Injuku Racing. They're ISR solid subframe bushings. 4 of these. We got the Sicky diff bushings, ISR subframe bushings that we got from Injuku. I'm going to be installing these sometime this week, or at least begin the process of getting the subframe out. For right now, like I said, I got the car jacked up. I'm going to start by removing the exhaust, and then I also remove the drag shaft, the brake cable for the brake, and then I can lower the subframe. I'm not too excited to do this because I know it's going to take a long time, and honestly, working on the car, it's not fun. So drifting is a lot funner than working on a car, but unfortunately with a drift car, you're always going to break stuff. But then again, fortunately, this is something I only have to do one time, which is a good thing. So just wanted to update you guys, let you guys know what's going on. And stay tuned for more 350Z videos to come soon. And there is a drift event this weekend. I probably won't be drifting in it, but I'll go just to get some footage most likely. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.